Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I fix real HP printer and fax problems, the kind that look like hardware failure. It usually aren't, we're fixing a very confusing one. Your HP fax says transmission successful, but the receiving side gets a blank page. And sometimes the feeder doesn't even pull the paper. If your HP fax says transmission successful, but the receiving side gets a blank page, didn't replace your feeder yet. A customer contacted me saying it says successful, but the other office receives nothing, and sometimes the feeder doesn't even pull the paper. When the fax handshake completes, it means the phone line connection worked, but that doesn't guarantee the feeder actually moved the page. First, we test the feeder using a copper load 1 sheet and make a copy from the printer panel. If it pulls and copies correctly, the hardware is fine. Next, we wake the feeder sensor, start a copy and let the page pull halfway, cancel the copy and immediately send the fax. For multi-page faxifan, the stack and tap edges, flat load smaller batches 5 to 8 pages, max adjust guide snug. If the issue returns, go to printer settings, click on reset and go to partial reset and not full reset. This clears minor firmware quirks affecting feeder activation. After these steps, the feeder pulled consistently, no more blank transmission sonen, more full successful reports. If your HP fax handshake succeeds but the feeder doesn't pull paper, don't replace it. Fix the detection layer first. Subscribe for real HP troubleshooting that saves you money.